Stuck with iMessage activation error? Watch this to fix. First one, turn iMessage off and on. Open the settings. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap Messages. Here, look for the iMessage option and turn it off. Wait for 10 seconds and turn iMessage on again. Make sure that either the phone number or the Apple ID is selected. This refreshes the connection and often fixes the issue. If not, second one, use airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 15 seconds, turn it off again. This resets your network connection. If it doesn't work, try. Third one, check date and time settings. Go to Settings. Scroll and tap General. Again, scroll down and select date and time. Enable Set automatically. If this step is not working, then try. Fourth one, restart cellular. In the settings, tap cellular. Turn off the toggle next to it. Wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. This refreshes your network signal. Fifth one, force restart your iPhone. Press volume up. Press volume down. Hold the power button. Release when the Apple logo appears. This clears system glitches. Now, try to activate iMessage. If it doesn't work, then try. Sixth one, reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings, and tap again to confirm. If this method doesn't work, then try. Seventh one, sign out and sign in Apple ID. In the settings, tap your Apple ID name. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Enter the password and click check mark. After that, sign in again using your Apple ID. Now try to activate it. This might fix the issue, and that's it. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.